Hello everyone, are you looking to create the perfect AI image? Are you tired of just standard images on Pixabay, Pexels, and all that stuff, and you don't want to pay the subscription for DALL-E? Well, that's great because we have the solution for you right here. This is Imagen Network, so make sure to stay until the end so you can see all the amazing things. So if you haven't used AI by now, you know AI can be used for multiple things. Yes, we have ChatGPT, Claude, Bard, all those things to answer your questions. But what happens with image generation? You need YouTube thumbnails. You need something to post on Pinterest. You need something cool to look at. Well, generating AI images usually costs money, or it can be complicated. Now it doesn't have to be. And we can see this awesome website, and this is going to be my go-to for creating the coolest images right here. So, just like you would use a prompt, with AI you can make amazing images. We can see some of the different images right here. We can see the ones that people created that got the most comments, the most votes, the ones that are hot. This website's hot. And also the views right here. So we can click on this one. You can see it right here. Dogs, dogs, dogs. And here's the cool thing. You can actually copy the prompt right here of what created this, or you can create your own. Then you can see related images right here, the posts. So you can think of this like you have different social media networks for images, Instagram, Pinterest. For that type of stuff, well, we have Imagen right here. And we can see here, you can submit an image. We have the top users, we have home, and it's just that simple. So that's what I really like about this. And it also has Web3 integration. What does that mean? You can go ahead and connect a wallet here, so you can connect your MetaMask, your Phantom. Go to phantom.app, type in MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and connect it here, and then start to create. And on top of that, we can see different stuff for news, images, all that type of stuff. So what you want to do to get started to create right here is you can log in with your wallet. So if you have not done so, I'd recommend pausing this, typing in MetaMask. After you've typed in MetaMask, go through the prompts, go through, make sure your key's safe, password, all that stuff, and get it set up. So here you can log in, or you can log in with your wallet, but you're going to need the wallet to interact. So I go ahead, log in, and I can pick MetaMask, something like that. You can also do Phantom, Trust Wallet, all the other type of wallets. So pick your favorite Web3 wallet, or do some research on them, and then go ahead and log in. Standard is MetaMask for what I use, but you can use any wallet. Then we hit next, and we go ahead and connect. Then next we want to confirm our email address to submit a post, so we can go ahead and do that. And then we can go ahead, click on the wallet here. We can see the wallet is connected by seeing this. So we have our address, Block Explorer, Swap, Activity, all that fun stuff, and we can actually switch networks from Ethereum to BNB. Then we can generate using DALL-E, Stability, or text to video, whichever you like. So you can type in different prompts right here and go ahead and get that going. So let's think of a prompt. And do a robot with long arms, green eyes, something like that, and we can allow DALL-E to generate that for us. So we have this prompt here. We can see my robot, and I can go ahead and download this to my computer if I want, and it's just that simple. Now you can also see different things here like shorts, subscriptions, all that type of stuff, what's going on here. You can also take a look and just explore, take a look around, see what there is with videos, images, all that type of stuff. I expect this to be a competitor or to even beat out things like Pixabay, Pexels, all that type of stuff. So it's simple. Get your Web3 wallet going, try it out, and if you like it, get a subscription and start generating the coolest images on the internet with Imagen.